In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure you see VIP emails in Gmail by creating email filters. We all know how overwhelming emails can get, particularly those that pile up in the inbox every day. However, you can streamline your inbox to ensure you never miss important emails from specific contacts. Let's get started with the process. First, head to your Gmail account and focus your attention on the search bar at the top. Next to this bar, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a series of sliders or an upside down triangle. Clicking on this icon will open up the advanced search options. This feature allows you to specify criteria for emails that matter most to you. Now in the From field, type the email address of the VIP contact whose emails you don't want to miss. This simple act sets the parameters for the filter by limiting the search to emails from that individual. It can be extremely useful when you have multiple contacts but want to prioritize correspondence from key people or organizations. To further refine your filter, consider whether these emails often contain attachments. If they do, click the checkbox labeled Has Attachment. This addition enhances the specificity, ensuring that your filter is catching only the most relevant messages. With your criteria set, it's time to hit the Create Filter button at the bottom of this search window. This step is crucial as it initiates the next phase where you can determine what will happen to emails matching your specified criteria. Once you've created the filter, you have a few options to choose from. One option is to ensure these emails are always marked as important, which increases their visibility in your inbox. To do this, simply click on the option labeled Always Mark It as Important. This way, Gmail will highlight these emails so they stand out from the rest. Another handy tool is the Star It option. When you click Star It, Gmail automatically makes these emails easy to locate by adding a star which acts as a visual cue amidst the crowd of messages in your inbox. Next, you may want to assign a label to these emails for even better organization. Click on Apply the Label and choose Choose Label to create a new label or select an existing one. Labels in Gmail are like folders, allowing you to categorize your messages in a way that suits your needs. After you've decided on a label, simply click on the label you created and then proceed by selecting the Create Filter option once again, and voila, your Gmail is now set up to ensure VIP emails are never lost in the shuffle. Following these steps will help maintain a well-organized inbox and ensure that crucial emails never go unnoticed. Enjoy the extra peace of mind that comes with knowing that your email communication is functioning at its most efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.